Welcome to our channel. Discover how Zapier can transform your daily workflow by automating repetitive tasks effortlessly. Welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into how you can automate your tasks efficiently using Zapier, a powerful tool designed to streamline your digital routine. Step 1. Sign up and connect your apps. After creating your Zapier account, link the apps you want to automate, such as Gmail, Slack, or Google Sheets. Step 2. Create a Zap. The core of automation in Zapier is a Zap. A Zap is a workflow that connects your apps. Step 3. Choose your trigger. Select the starting point for your Zap. This trigger is an event in an app that sets your automation in motion, for example, receiving a new email in Gmail. Step 4. Set the action. The action is what happens after the trigger. It's the automated task Zapier performs for you, like saving the email information to a spreadsheet or sending a notification in Slack. Step 5. Customize your Zap. Use filters or add multiple actions to craft precise workflows that suit your needs. For instance, filter emails by sender or create multiple steps to post updates across different platforms. Step 6. Test your Zap. Before finalizing, monitor your Zap by running a test to ensure everything works as planned. Step 7. Turn your Zap on. Once satisfied with the test results, enable your Zap and watch your tasks run automatically, freeing you from manual repetitive work. Automating with Zapier lets you integrate diverse apps, saving time, reducing errors, and enhancing productivity. Try building a Zap today to see the difference it makes in managing your workload. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more insightful automation tips.